I'm sure you've heard the news. These 5 exercises are game changers for every guy out there. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, the push-up. This classic move targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. 3 sets of 15, 20 reps, anywhere, anytime. Next, squats. Build powerful legs and glutes. Body weight or weighted, just go deep and control your form. 3 sets of 12, 15 reps. Third, pull-ups. Test your upper body strength. Hits your back, biceps, and core. Newbies use resistance bands. Aim for 3 sets of 8, 12 reps. Number 4, deadlifts. Full body strength, baby. Works your back, legs, and grip. Keep it tight and go heavy. 3 sets of 6, 8 reps. Finally, planks. Strengthen your core and improve posture. Start with 30, 60 seconds. Add these to your routine and watch your strength and physique level up. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fitness tips. See you next time.